Hello guys, I'm Anjhae Jordan and you're watching Star Magic Workshop Video Vlog. Okay, today we met Direct Ryan Carlos, the head of the Star Magic Workshop. He is the only Asian who have the right to teach chabak technique. Only Asian person in the whole Asia has the right to teach chabak technique. Nag-iisa lang si Direct Ryan. Kaya naman kayo, kung gusto nyo matutong mag-acting, mahusay pang umarte, umakting, enroll na kayo sa Star Magic Acting Workshop. Yeah. Okay, so nakakahiya kasi naman it's not my first time meeting Direct. Pero kasi naman, what happened is I am so late. Pero hindi naman super duper late na ganun. Kasi naman, oh my gosh, umalis ako sa amin ng 9:30. At dumating ako doon ng 12:10. Right? What the heck? 2.5 hours, then 11. What? It's because of the traffic? OMG, sobrang daming hours ang nasasayang sa traffic na yan. Kung may magagawa man lang, kung meron pwede bang isa pang flyover na pag ganun para may iwasan naman yung traffic. Yung tayo sa traffic na yun, late ako! Pero kakaumpisa pa lang naman yun pagdating ko. Tapos, nag-introduce yourself kasi medyo hindi pa naman ako kilala. Direct, kakilala. And ano pa ba? Tapos nag-discuss siya about doon sa mga rules and regulations and everything. Mga simpleng bagay. Tapos nagkaroon rin kami ng konting movie, what do you call that? Movie, basta we watch movie. Mini clips, hindi naman movie, pero mga clips lang. Na-explain na sa amin yung mga future na gagawin namin, yung mga movies namin, yung mga commercials, yung mga teleserye. I wish nga yun yung pinag-usapan namin. Pero hindi. Yung mga activities na gagawin namin sa future. Pero I'm sure na dadating din ang panahon na magkakaroon ng sarili movies and commercials, teleseries. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Kaya dapat galingan ko sa workshop na ito, diba? Okay, tapos ano ba pinag-usapan namin? Ano pa ba? Basta ang na-learn ko is just keep on trying. Even though hindi ka makapasa ngayong workshop na ito. Enroll ka ulit sa susunod na workshop. You cannot, it's like gym. Sabi ni Direct, it's like having muscles. Like, diba yung mga gusto mo, yung mga nagpapalaki na, yung mga bodybuilders natin. Hindi naman overnight yung pagkakaroon ng muscles mo, diba? Hindi naman pagka-exercise mo ngayon, bukas muscles ka na, diba? Ganun. So, parang ganyan din tong workshop na to. Dahil hindi pwedeng overnight, kailangan talaga ng matinding self-discipline. Kailangan ng matinding hard work. Yun. Kailangan yan para makapasa ka sa workshop na ito. Kung hindi, babalik ka katulad ko. Oh, I'm so sad. Pero, makakapasa rin naman tayo dyan. Just push lang ng push. Sabi nga ng Jaden, push ng push sa Anjhae Sala. Nanonood ba kayo? Kasi sobrang favorite ko silang dalawa. Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa kanila. Pero sobrang bagay sila. If pwede nga na sila nalang magkatuloy forever. OMG, Jaden, fanatic here. I'm so sorry, guys. I also love Kanyal and Liz Quinn, but as of now, I really love Jaden. I'm so biased. Oh my gosh, so what else did we do? So I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. And sobrang, I'm looking forward to working with Direct again and teaching another lessons and, learnings for me. But daming sa'yo. And, ayan. Tiniruan kami ng mga techniques. Kung gusto nyo malaman yung mga techniques na yan, you better enroll na in Star Magic Workshop. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna see you guys again next week. Yes, next week for our first acting session with, I don't know who's our mentor teacher, but I'm hoping that kung if ever sino man siya, I'm pretty sure na marami ulit kami matututunan sa kanya. So guys, if you wanna have, or if you guys wanna see more pictures behind the scenes and you wanna see the face of me, or just, come on, just like it, you know, just like it. There's nothing wrong with liking my fan page in Facebook. The link is just in the description. Just like it, and you'll see a bunch of pictures of me and my classmates in workshop and whatever and stuff. You know, just like it, guys. I'm gonna see you again. I'm gonna see you again, guys, next week. And this is Anjhae Swords, and you're watching Star Magic Workshop video vlog for short. Bye. See you guys. See you again next time. Bye. Bye. See you again next time. Bye.